Hello everybody, I'm Youngmin Lee. I made some cupcake shaped pin cushions and I decorated the middle with Bakjwi. Bakjwi is a symbol of good fortune or happiness in Korean culture. So I added a little piece of good fortune when I make my pin cushions. Let's make this using square fabric. This is my fabric that I cut into 2" by 2". And I prepared 2 pins and a needle with double thread at least 15 inches long, and I will tie a knot at the end. This is very important to prepare needle and thread beforehand. And let's start. Using square fabric and 2 long pins, I will put pins on 2 sides, 2 corners, diagonal direction like this, and using your fingers, start to roll. You want to roll it very tight until you reach to the middle point. I will secure it with another pin and move to the other side. And I will roll it until they meet each other in the middle like this. Once they meet in the middle, I will take all the pins out and fold it into half like this. Then, using the needle and thread, I will stitch through these 2 so they can be secured, and the length is about 1/4 inch from the top to the point. So I will do 1 and turn upside down and stitch another. And come back to the starting point or side and stitch 1 more time. So each side gets 2 stitches at the beginning. And turn. Oh, this was the end of the thread. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times like this, and then I will wrap it around tightly several times, and then right above the wrapped around part I will stitch 1 more time just to make sure they stay well together. And this time I will just do 1 on each side. Now it's pretty secure, and I will move my thread and the part, rolled part, to my left side. Using a pair of scissors, I will trim it off as close as you can from the wrapped around part, but make sure you don't cut the wrapped around part or the extra thread because we will use them after we finish the shape. And this part I will use a little bit of glue stick to secure, and it prevents from fraying. Any type of glue is fine. And in old days, Korean people used a grain of cooked rice instead of glue. And then now we are ready to open and see the shape of bakji.